Seed starting season has begun and I have a problem. I have too many seeds. I saved a whole bunch of seeds over the last few years and now I have accumulated a really big variety of seeds and a really big quantity. Some of these packets has a few hundred seeds in them and I don't have the space to start them. So if you are local in HRM and know of a library that has a seed library that could use seeds, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to go and drop some of these off. I've got a lot of peppers, cilantro, cherry tomatoes, and they're all well suited to the Nova Scotia environment. But for now, I'll be organizing. Some are not put in nice little packets. They're still in paper bags from saving and coming up with a garden plan. So make sure you follow along for this season, the planning that goes into gardening and some hot tips for growing in Nova Scotia where I have less than 100 days frost free. Catch you guys in the next one.